Imagine stepping onto a luxurious wraparound porch that curves elegantly around your home, sipping your morning coffee while gazing at panoramic views, and then walking inside to discover soaring 20-foot ceilings with zero support columns blocking your view. Now imagine building this dream home for 40 to 60% less than traditional construction. Sound impossible? It's not. This is the magic of a luxury modern Quonset Barndominium with wraparound porch design. And today I'm revealing everything you need to know about this stunning architectural trend that's taking 2025 by storm. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button right now if you love unique home designs, and subscribe with notifications on, because I'll be sharing a trusted company at the end of this video that can build this exact design at surprisingly affordable prices. Trust me, you don't want to miss that. Now let's get into it. What makes this design special? Let's talk about what makes a luxury modern Quonset Barndominium with wraparound porch so incredibly special. First, forget everything you think you know about those old military Quonset huts from World War II. We're talking about a completely evolved, sophisticated architectural statement that combines the strength of steel with the charm of Southern hospitality. The wraparound porch is the game changer here. Picture this: a covered outdoor living space that wraps around 2, 3, or even all 4 sides of your home. This isn't just a porch, it's an extension of your living area. You can set up outdoor dining on one side, create a cozy reading nook on another, and still have space for lounging furniture that takes advantage of sunset views. The porch typically extends 8 to 12 feet from the main structure, giving you hundreds of square feet of covered outdoor space. But here's where it gets really interesting. The curved Quonset roof creates this dramatic architectural element that makes your home look like nothing else in the neighborhood. When you combine that distinctive arch with custom end walls featuring floor-to-ceiling windows, stone or wood accents, and that beautiful wraparound porch, you get a home that's simultaneously modern, rustic, and absolutely breathtaking. The luxury modern approach means we're incorporating high-end finishes like stained wood beams, contemporary metal railings on the porch, designer lighting fixtures, and expansive glass installations. Some designs feature the porch wrapping around the curved sections with custom-built columns that follow the arch, creating this flowing, organic feel that's genuinely unique. The architectural advantages. Now let's talk about why architects and designers are falling in love with this concept. The Quonset structure gives you a clear span interior with no load-bearing walls and no support columns. We're talking 30, 40, 50, even 60 feet of completely unobstructed width. This means you can design your interior layout however you want, and you can change it later without worrying about structural issues. Imagine a great room with 18 to 20-foot vaulted ceilings that follow the natural curve of the arch. Picture massive sliding glass doors that open onto your wraparound porch, blurring the line between indoor and outdoor living. The open concept design is perfect for entertaining because there are literally no walls blocking sight lines or conversation flow. The wraparound porch adds what designers call massive curb appeal. It softens the industrial look of the metal structure and makes the home feel welcoming and livable. The porch can be designed with a traditional gable roof extending from the main structure, or it can follow the curve of the Quonset arch for a more contemporary look. For luxury builds, many homeowners are adding custom touches like inset end walls that create a natural covered porch area under the main arch, decorative support columns made from timber or steel, integrated outdoor kitchens and living spaces on the porch, ceiling fans and statement lighting, and natural stone or stained concrete flooring that flows from interior to exterior. The design flexibility is incredible. You can create a modern farmhouse aesthetic with board and batten siding on the end walls and a classic white porch with black accents. Or go full modern with floor-to-ceiling glass, sleek metal finishes, and minimalist porch design. Some people even combine materials like stone, wood, and metal to create a mountain lodge vibe or a contemporary ranch style. Real costs and sizes. Alright, let's talk real numbers because this is where things get really exciting. I'm going to give you honest pricing for luxury builds with wraparound porches. For a 40 by 60 luxury Quonset Barndominium with wraparound porch, which is 2,400 square feet of interior space, plus approximately 600 to 800 square feet of covered porch, here's what you're looking at. The Quonset Shell Kit package runs $35,000 to $50,000. Custom end walls with extensive windows and doors cost $15,000 to $25,000. The foundation and site prep run $20,000 to $30,000. Professional erection and assembly costs $12,000 to $18,000. Your shell total with porch structure is approximately $82,000 to $123,000. Now for the luxury interior finishes at $120 to $180 per square foot for 2,400 square feet. You're looking at $288,000 to $432,000. This includes spray foam insulation, high-end flooring like hardwood or luxury vinyl plank, designer kitchen with quality appliances and custom cabinetry, spa-like bathrooms with premium fixtures, quality HVAC systems, high-end electrical and plumbing, interior finishing with attention to detail, and premium doors, windows, and trim. The wraparound porch finish costs $50 to $100 per square foot for 700 square feet, which is $35,000 to $70,000. This includes quality decking materials, railings and columns, ceiling fans and lighting, and optional outdoor kitchen elements. Your grand total turnkey for a luxury 40 by 60 with wraparound porch runs $405,000 to $625,000. That averages out to about $130 to $200 per square foot, including the porch. Compare that to a traditional luxury home at $250 to $400 plus per square foot, and you're saving $150,000 to $350,000 or more. For a larger 50 by 80 luxury build, that's 4,000 square feet plus 1,000 square feet of porch. Your shell package costs $65,000 to $95,000. Custom end walls and porch structure run $25,000 to $40,000. Foundation and site prep cost $35,000 to $50,000. Assembly is $20,000 to $30,000, giving you a shell total of $145,000 to $215,000. Luxury interior finishes for 4,000 square feet at $120 to $180 per square foot equal $480,000 to $720,000. Porch finishing for 1,000 square feet costs $50,000 to $100,000. Your grand total runs $675,000 to $1,035,000. That's approximately $135 to $206 per square foot fully finished. A traditional luxury home of this size would easily cost $1 million to $1,800,000. So you're still saving $325,000 to $765,000. Design elements that make it luxury. Let's dive into what transforms a basic Quonset structure into a luxury, modern home. The end wall design is absolutely critical. Top designs feature floor-to-ceiling glass sections that can be 12 to 20 feet tall, taking advantage of that dramatic arch height. Mix materials like natural stone veneer, stained or charred wood siding, and sleek metal accents create visual interest with varying textures and colors. For the wraparound porch, custom railings are essential. Think horizontal cable railings for modern looks, traditional wood balustrades for farmhouse style, or ornamental metal for elegance. Structural support can include timber posts with decorative brackets, steel columns with a powder-coated finish, or stone pillars for a permanent, high-end look. Interior features that scream luxury include exposed steel arches painted in designer colors, reclaimed wood accent walls and beams, polished concrete or wide plank hardwood floors, statement lighting like industrial chandeliers or modern pendants, custom steel and glass interior doors, and professional-grade appliances in the kitchen. The master suite becomes a showpiece with spa bathrooms featuring walk-in showers, soaking tubs, and double vanities. Walk-in closets with custom organization systems and private access to the porch create ultimate luxury. Guest suites can include en-suite bathrooms and separate porch access. Many luxury builds incorporate a loft space above part of the main floor for additional bedrooms, a home office with dramatic views, a media room or game room, or a private studio space. This takes advantage of the 18 to 20-foot height at the center of the arch. Outdoor living integration. The wraparound porch isn't just an afterthought. It's a carefully designed outdoor living zone. Different sections serve different purposes. One section can be your outdoor dining area with a farmhouse table for 10+ people and statement lighting overhead. Another becomes your morning coffee spot with comfortable seating and side tables. A third area might house your outdoor kitchen with a built-in grill, prep space, and a beverage cooler. Connection to nature is enhanced through strategic window and door placement, ceiling fans for air circulation and comfort, retractable screens to keep bugs out while maintaining views, and landscaping that integrates with porch design. Some homeowners add outdoor fireplaces or fire pits adjacent to the porch, water features visible from porch seating areas, and native plants and gardens that create privacy and beauty. The covered porch means you can enjoy outdoor living year-round, rain or shine. In summer, it provides shade and cooling. In winter, it offers protection from wind and precipitation while you enjoy fresh air. This effectively adds hundreds of square feet of usable space to your home without the cost of interior construction. Construction timeline. One of the biggest advantages is construction speed. Here's a realistic timeline. Site prep and foundation takes 2 to 3 weeks. Quonset shell erection takes 1 to 2 weeks. Porch structure construction takes 1 to 2 weeks. And interior finishing takes 3 to 6 months, depending on the complexity. Total timeline from breaking ground to move in is approximately 5 to 8 months for a luxury build. Compare that to 12 to 18 months or more for traditional luxury construction. You're cutting your build time nearly in half, which also means you're saving money on construction financing and temporary housing during the build. The company recommendation. Now, as promised, let me share a company that specializes in these builds. Steel Master Buildings has been in the Quonset business for over 30 years and offers an industry-leading 50-year warranty on their structures. They provide state-stamped engineered blueprints, premium 80-grade steel with twice the strength of standard steel, and custom design assistance to help you create your luxury barndominium with wraparound porch. Their building specialists work with you to customize end walls, porch structures, and overall layout. While they provide the structural shell, you'll work with local contractors for interior finishing, giving you control over luxury details and finishes. Many customers praise their transparency, professional service, and the quality of materials. They can build in all 50 states and ship internationally. Final thoughts. A luxury modern Quonset Barndominium with wraparound porch design offers something truly special. The strength and efficiency of steel construction combined with the elegance and livability of thoughtful architectural design. You're getting a unique home that stands out, saves significant money compared to traditional construction, builds faster than conventional methods, offers incredible design flexibility, and provides outdoor living space that enhances your lifestyle year-round. This isn't just about building a house. It's about creating a distinctive home that reflects your personality and values. The wraparound porch adds that element of gracious living that makes every day feel like you're on vacation. The soaring ceilings and open layout create a sense of space and freedom that traditional homes can't match. And the durability of steel construction means your home will still be standing strong 50, 75, even 100 years from now with minimal maintenance. If you're drawn to unique architecture, if you value smart financial decisions, and if you want a home that truly feels like yours, a luxury modern Quonset Barndominium with wraparound porch design might just be your perfect solution. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on alternative housing and smart building solutions. Drop a comment below and tell me what your dream luxury barndominium would include. Would you go modern farmhouse or contemporary mountain lodge? I want to hear your vision. And if you're seriously considering this type of build, check out the links in the description for resources to help you get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore even more innovative housing designs.